Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. We have, I believe, less than 20 puzzles left. Then this project will be end. I will hit the 10K in a couple of days. Anyway, the second puzzle is a four-star Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, January the 28th, 2025. And I've already solved one puzzle, so three puzzles are left. The binary, jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested. It's the four-star Sudoku. Four-star Sudoku number 9985. 9985. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. The four-star Sudoku in additional has always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, naked numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for four stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a four stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 3 twos. We have here 2 threes, 3 fours, 2 fives, 3 sixes, 2 sevens, 3 eights, and 2 9. So it's divided. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 6. We have 2 and a 6 in this column, so no 2 and a 6 in these 3 boxes. 2 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. What are these 3 missing numbers then in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 4, 5, 7. Well, we have a 4 and a 5 in this row, so no 4 and a 5 in this box. 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so 1 digit left should be the 7. 5 here. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Then, these 3 missing numbers in this column, those missing numbers are, the 1 is missing. Oh, well, we have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. The only place left with 1 should be there. The 2, the 3 is missing. Well, we have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. We have the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. All right, 9, 9. We have a pair again in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 9. We have a 3 and a 9 in this row. No 3 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 3 and a 9 in the middle row. No 3 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. So 2 boxes are left in this big square for the 3 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. I need a 6 here. Then need a 5 there. 4 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those in this row, yeah. 1 of the missing number is a 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then, let me see, need a 1 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 7 and the 8. Let me mark those. The 8 there. Okay, and then 7, 8, and I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need a 6 here. Need a 6 here. Well. Need a 5 there. Need a 4 here. Yeah, I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 5. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 in these two boxes. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 in this box. So one box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5, 5, okay. Need a 4. Need a 8. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is an 8. We have 8 in the third column, so no 8 in this box. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have 8 in one of those two boxes in the middle row. So this box can be an 8 and more. That box should be an 8. This box should be a 7 then. Okay. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second middle row. So the row above, the only two places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7, the 7 should be there. So one digit left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, we have a 6 now in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 2 goes in there. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column, so the column 3. Now only two places left, 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this middle row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for 4 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column, so the column 3. Second column, the only two places left for 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 and a 5, we have 4 now in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 numbers left in this big square. Here we have a 3 and a 9. So the other 2 should be the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 8 goes there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column, so in the third column. Only 2 places left, 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in the second row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6, 6. Then, let me see. Well. In this column, oh wait. 2, yeah. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left 2 should be there. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. Okay. I need a 5 here. And I need a... Well. Come on. 7. Yeah. Need a 7 there. Come on. 1, 3, 9. 3, 9. No. 1, 3, 9 also. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1, 3, 9. 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9. And look, we have 1 and a 9 in this column. So no 1 and a 9 in this box. 1 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 9 goes there, so 1 digit left in the first row for number 3. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Then 3 and a 9. Okay. Need a 1 here. And I need a 3 and a 9. 3, 9. Okay. 2, 3, 8, 2. How about need a 6 here. Need 6 there. Come on. 5, 5. How about 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. Now only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 could be here, could be at there. 2 numbers left now in this column. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. Oh, cannot fill this yet. Oh, we have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Okay. 9, 9, 9. Okay. 9, I need a 9 here or there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, only 2 places left, and 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. We have a pair. In this box, we have 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and a 5. We have 1 and a 5 in this column, so no 1 and 5 in this box. We have a 1 and a 5 in the first column, so no 1 and 5 in these 2 boxes. 2 boxes are left in this box where for the 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Okay, so the 3 and the 9 are left here then. The other 2 numbers, 3 and 9, okay. I need an 8 here. 8, 8. 8, 8, okay. Come on. This is taking too long. I need a 4 here. 4, 4, okay. How about? Need a 6 there. 6, 4, 7, 6, 4, 7. 6, 4, 7, no. 6. Could be here, could be there. 6, 7, here. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. Come on. 2. Need a 2 there also. What's happening? 7, 3, and 9. 9 could be here or there. 9, okay. Need a 9 here too. Need a 8 here too. 8, 9, and I need a overlooked something. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So no row between. The only 2 places left. 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Okay, and now 7, I need a 6. 6 here. 6, 7, and I need a 2. Yep, 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, the only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 7 and 9. 7 and 8. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so the row between, the only place level 7 should be there. 6 and 9, 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 6 goes and there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so the row between. The only place level 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left now. In this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. No, we have a 5. The 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have an 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 and a 9, we have 3 now in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes, and there, 1 box left now in this column for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing here. 9, 9, 9, yes. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. Cannot fill this yet. How about these 2 missing numbers in this column? For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in the second row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. The 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7. We have 7 now in the third row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 3 and 5, we have a 3 in the third row, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there, 1 and the 5, we have a 5 now in the third row, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there, and the last 2 numbers, 1 and the 4, we have a 1 in the third row, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes, wow. Not faster than 15, so not a 4, not a 3. Let me give this a 2 stars, I'm faster than 20 minutes. So let me give this a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. So thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.